My name is Osberg. I work at Solar. I'm a network architect. I've been for nearly 2 years now, network architect. My responsibility is global infrastructure in our company, including design, architecture, everything from data center solutions to access network to wireless infrastructure to coming up with proposals to new design, listening to what the business is requiring, and everything between. Solar is a wholesale company. We are located everything from China to US, but we are primarily located in the north of Europe. We have 140 locations around the world. Approximately 5 years ago, we are going into how we can actually embark cloud solutions. So we actually looked at hybrid solutions. So inside our IT organization, we need to look into how we could take solutions, the requirement from the business, how we can support them in the best way, defining out if the solutions should be on-prem or cloud. Some of the things when we actually start looking onto the cloud solution for our network infrastructure is, of course, how can we save time? Even though that we are many people, we are not a huge department. So how can we actually make more time for us, but also making better function and tools for our group service desk and first and second line support? They are the ones that need to take our work, if you can say it like that, and do it better and supporting the end users faster. We need to look into how can we actually simplify the infrastructure in a more streamlined way and supporting the business. We have been a Cisco partner for many years, and we actually been a Cisco distributor ourselves. And we are a Cisco house in general. So of course the solutions that we always come up with is how can we actually embark some of the solutions that they are having on the shelf right away? How does it fit into our way of working? We actually were in a renewal process, our complete infrastructure. That means we had to renew 500 switches, nearly 600 in general, and in all our locations because the hardware was way overdue on the end of life and end of support, basically. We got the DNA center from the first part, and we actually were one of the first customers in Denmark that actually got the DNA center. When we look into how our IT department can benefit out of it, there's a lot of good functionalities, and we're doing it every day. But when we look into the other part of our organizations, when it comes for our group service desk, which is first and second line support, which is actually the ones that's talking to the end users, how could we actually use and streamline tools? And we just implemented Cisco Meraki SD-WAN solution over the last year and a half. So it makes completely sense for us where we actually run a POC about, does it make sense for you guys to have the Meraki and the Catalyst switches integrated together? And could it benefit you guys? It took them 5 minutes and they were completely blown away. We saw the benefit right away. They could see the functionalities was just there. They got some simplified tools, and we streamlined the complete infrastructure on our branch locations. Right away, have the key tools just on one screen. And we saw that the amount of time that they could solve on issues was going down from maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, actually to solve the issues within 10-15 minutes. So the amount of time we actually saved was maybe 5 to 10% of our working hours per month. It is innovation, and in a very fast and very simplified way. When we started, the tools were coming out for integration, for a Meraki solution. I was just, does this make sense? Yeah, let's go for it. Let's see what they actually can do, basically. Let's see what we can actually gain out of this. We're now getting benefits of both worlds, basically. So we have the Meraki installation, we have the Catalyst, and how they can actually correlate data between each other. So everything from application visibility, those kind of things, we actually see in one place now. It's a single pane of glass we're actually starting to build up now, and that's what we've been looking for the last couple of years.